Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel Dynamic Tech. Guys, today we are gonna do unboxing of the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. As you know, due to geopolitics of 5G, Huawei has been under pressure, but still it is not coming slow with this mid-range phone that has the takeover features of its notchless design and pop-up selfie. The phone basically comes in three colors, that is midnight black, sapphire blue, and we have today that is emerald green. So let's move on forward and unbox it. So I am going to cut the seal open here with the opener to make it easy for me to open it. And so this is the warranty card. Let me just put that aside and open the box and let's see what's on the inside. So guys, here we have the phone, some standout features on screen. The phone is in the plastic bag. Let me just put that aside and we are gonna come back to it later and take this out and let's see what's here. So that is, let me just open it, a SIM card tray opener, a quick user manual, and a silicone protective case that is inside this pack. Let me just open it. This is quite soft actually. So finally that we have got a C-type charging cable in a mid-ranger. That is actually quite amazing. If we talk about the charger, so the charger is 10-watt charger. Let me tell you guys that it do not support the fast charging function. So this is a basic general 10-watt charger. This is the simple headphone that comes along with the phone. And now we are back towards the phone and let me tell you about the phone, that what the phone actually has. So I'm gonna take it out and let's see. That is the standard features on the screen. I'm going to take this away. So guys, if you talk about the display of the phone, the main feature of this phone, it has that it is a notchless display. There is nothing on the screen, but it does not have any notification LED, nothing else on the screen. The basic and the main good feature of this phone is that it gives an ultra experience of only screen for game playing especially. If I talk about the back, so the back is actually plastic made. This is emerald green. So guys, the back is actually giving a very shiny look. A shiny plastic is on the back and the volume rockers are on the right side, and along with the power key, yes, you can see that now, and the fingerprint is rear mounted. Let me just move it around, and as you can see, the speaker vent, the C-type charging cable plug place, and the 3.5mm headphone jack along with a mic. So guys, now I'm going to turn on the phone and let's see what's on the inside of this phone and how the display is giving away the look, because it has a notchless display and there is nothing on the front. So guys, for all those who haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe for upcoming mobile comparison, unboxing and much more. So the phone is now finally on. Let me just quick forward the video. So guys, the phone is now right now turned on, and let me just go to its setting and show you around the phone. So here is the phone. There is about the phone. So this is the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 model. It comes in an Android version of 9 Pie. That is actually Pie version. Yes, you can see here that is actually Pie version. It has a, if I talk about the battery, so it has a 4000 mAh battery. That is quite a larger battery for this phone. So guys, the phone has 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage and a high silicon Kirin 710 processor that is based on 12 nanometer architecture. So on the top we have the SIM card tray. Let me just take that out and you are gonna see what is it inside. So the SIM card tray has actually a hybrid SIM slot. So the one is for the SIM and the other place is for the hybrid SIM slot. So you can actually put a SIM or a 1 terabyte of memory card on it. So it also works as a dual SIM and a SIM plus memory card place. That is actually good. So the phone is right now turned on. If I talk about the camera, so the back has actually triple AI camera that comes in a combination of 6 megapixel plus 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel of depth sensor. So guys, if I talk about the front selfie cam, that is actually 16 megapixel pop-up selfie cam. Let me just open it. So on the first time from a mid-range phone that is having the option of the selfie pop-up front cam. Let me just show it to you once again, that how does it opens. Let me focus it. Guys, now you can see that how the pop-up selfie actually works. So this is the first mid-range phone Huawei that actually has a 16 megapixel front cam. Moving on towards its display, so as you can see, it has a notchless display with less bezels on the side and a less bezels on the top, with a little bit of chin, but still the bezels are noticeable. Let me tell you again that the phone does not possess any notification LED or a face unlock function, so it do not have any face unlock option. Guys, do comment what you think of this phone. Thank you so much and keep supporting us.